Alright, so I just got the part in today. This one right here. Because service trailer brake system. So that popped up. It doesn't go away. And most of the people were saying you gotta fix this part. So normally this is what it looks like. I don't have the four-wheel drive package, so the middle knob isn't there. But we're talking about this one right here at the top with these tabs, the braking system. So all I gotta do is pull this door off, starting at the bottom. Sits right here. It's real easy. Then this thing comes out with the tabs, and it's real easy. Be gentle but firm. And I've already got the new one in there, so I just wanted to see if it actually fixes it while the message is actually popped up. So we'll be right back. One thing I did want to mention was when you're taking this off right here with these tabs, you're going to want to take these tabs out before this will pop out from the tabs. So this is what they look like. Okay, they got the angle so that they sit flat. But that's just really how they seat down into the other metal inside of here. And you just gotta pull them out. And I just used one of these and got under there. It's pretty easy. All right, so I got the new one in there. And moment of truth, I guess, because I haven't even started it. Boom. No more message. Hell yeah. So that worked for me. Might not work for you. Could be another problem. But y'all saw it here. So good luck out there.